This is a throwing knife currency called Oshile, made by Nkuchu blacksmiths in the Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo, what it's now known as. And it's one of the largest throwing knife currencies known throughout the continent. It's forged so finely, so thin, that the material used for it had to be of such high quality. So the bloomery iron was drawn out to its extreme in these very thin wing-like shapes. Also, the fact that the points are brought so carefully to a fine taper also indicates the quality of the material used. Often, the more that an object is forged by smiths, the more it is embodied with the life force or the effort of the smiths themselves. So the more hammer blows an object takes to make, the more highly revered the object would be. Many cultural groups throughout the continent of Africa use blade shapes as currency forms. The Topoke in the Democratic Republic of Congo use a small spear shape as one of the lower denominations of spear currencies. So the spear shape is symbolic, but the fact that these spear currencies are made from iron gives it tremendous value, used in very specific spheres of exchange. This type of currency called Liganda, used by the Topoke in what's now the Democratic Republic of Congo, this one, as one can see, is made far too large to ever be used, also too thin. Because it's forged from several different pieces and drawn out to a very thin material, it also wouldn't have held up in actual use. So as a result, it's a currency form that would be exchanged during marriage ceremonies. It would be planted along a matrimonial pathway. The blacksmith has forged the thin shapes with a ridge that runs down the center of it, which gives it structural integrity, and at the same time offers a way of producing a decorative element, these lines, furrows on each side of the blade.